How to view your own likes and remove them in Twitter. The first step is to make sure that your Twitter app is updated. In order to check it, go to your Play Store. Once you open your Play Store, go to search bar and type out Twitter. Tap on Twitter. Now here you can see that my app is already updated, but if your app is not updated, then you'll have an update option instead of an open option, where you have to simply tap on update and your Twitter will be updated. Now go back to your home screen and open Twitter app on your device. After the Twitter app opens, click on the profile icon that is on the top left corner of your screen and click on profile. Now after doing so, your profile page will open where you have to move towards likes. So tap on the likes option. Once you do so, all your liked posts will appear on that page. This is how you view your own likes in Twitter. Now in order to remove them, go to a post that you want to remove the like of and simply tap on the red heart. Tapping the heart means you are liking it, and if you untap the red heart, that means you're unliking it. So this is how you view your own likes as well as remove them in Twitter. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our YouTube channel.